Good morning, flower lovers. This is the most beautiful garden I've ever seen. This is in Elgin, Texas. More beautiful than I've seen in a botanical garden. They got their white picket fence. They got their crepe myrtles. And absolutely too bad it's the sun is so up. Because if this was earlier in the morning, it'd be way better. Because flowers are better when the light is not so intense. And they got the sprinklers running. Happy, happy plants. It also helps that this was a fantastic June, and we've even gotten some rain in July, and we even got a tad of rain in August. Now, I'm not sure about here in Elgin, but by us, we did not too far away. Look at those Pride of Barbados. Absolutely well done. This person has not only a green thumb, but all green fingers. So beautiful. Thank you, gardeners.